What's going on, everybody? What's cracking? This is Trading G's with G here on YouTube. Shout out to our new subscribers that like my cryptocurrency video that I put out on November 11th. YouTube was hating. They took that video down temporarily for a couple days. So most likely affect the number of views I can get on it. Y'all should check that out. I reinstated it. I appealed it, and YouTube put it back on for me. They thought I was breaking some kind of violation. I'm not sure exactly what it was. I guess I put up a website that had to do with crypto profits. You know, it's a website that people can trade crypto on, buy crypto on, or whatever. So I don't know, man. This stuff is crazy. I only got 60-some subscribers, and I'm already getting videos taken down. But yeah, check that out. Anyways, I gotta get to it. Back on my mean stock type tips. So AMC has been going crazy, as well as GameStop. I'm gonna cover GameStop also, but Moana 2 is going crazy. They're already up 170 million on sales. It debuts tonight. It's the 27th of November. Thanksgiving's tomorrow, of course. Last week, Wicked Eyes, that scary movie, did 92 million, and Gladiator did 39 million in sales, revenue. This is actually like a record for AMC. It hits the pre-Thanksgiving revenues record. I don't have no idea how people can doubt a company like AMC. I know they're over $1 billion in debt. That's because of COVID. They beat their earnings a couple weeks ago, but of course, Ken Griffin, Citadel, all those hedge funds, they've been shorting these meme stocks. And in my opinion, I think AMC is still a legit company to invest in. Of course, what I say is not financial advice, but if you look at the numbers, yes, AMC doesn't have the most cash on hand. They got about $1 billion, a little less than $1 billion cash on hand. But everybody still likes going out to the movies. COVID didn't stop that forever. So it's just wild to me, man, that people lost almost 100% of their shares. I'm going to go over the chart in a second, but this is crazy, bro. These two movies saw the highest domestic admissions revenue on the weekend before Thanksgiving since 2019. So it's just crazy that AMC is not doing so well overall, but it's been peaking for the past month. There we go. Gladiator 2, Wicked, Part 1. This last week. Then we got Moana debuting tonight. But this one I'm looking forward to at the end of the fourth quarter, man. Mufasa, the Lion King, and Sonic the Hedgehog 3. Sonic the Hedgehog is my favorite superhero, and Lion King, the original, is my favorite movie. I'm a product of the 90s. Grew up in the 90s, so I was playing Sonic the Hedgehog all the time, Sega Genesis. My Gen Ys, shout out to y'all. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I haven't played a Lion King game. Let's get to the chart, man. So today, AMC, it peaked 17 cents. Yesterday, went down 6 cents. But on Monday, this is when the news was released about the movies I just covered last week. And only went up 31 cents. But it skipped. It did kind of like a bullish kicker signal. And that obviously means that there's a gap between two bars. That's great news. You see this bullish flag going up ever since October 10th, 9th, 10th. I'm telling y'all, man, if y'all didn't buy this dip down here, I mean, you missed out because it hit $5 yesterday and just right under it today. So if you bought at least 100 shares, you have at least $100. Do the math. And these white little squares is where I bought in. I got in a little late, like halfway. I bought some shares over here on the 4th of this month, and I just got some last week on 21st. I'm not doing any options right now, but as you know, if you look at my last AMC video, I got screwed over. I have a long AMC call that expires in June of next year. I bought it in August of last year, right before the reverse stock split. So currently AMC, whew, is sitting at 497, which is, oh sorry, 497, which is really 49 cents after the reverse split. So this stock is at the bottom, man. It's just crazy. But I really gotta talk about GameStop, man. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Today was kind of like a dry day. Didn't really do too much. Had a lot of volume though. Looks like a doji, kind of a spinner. So the market's undecided. Undecided right now. Indecisive. It's been going crazy all week. No news has broke out. I believe the minute that Ryan Cohen or Warren Kitty puts out some news or some kind of crazy tweet about the company, this is gonna go parabolic. I could see this honestly, maybe Friday. I'm not sure, but for sure next week or just next month in December, I could see GameStop going past $40, man, minimum. I won't be surprised if we can catch 50 or possibly $8 again in the near future. I'm gonna show y'all the weekly chart with GameStop. And if you notice, the RSI down over here is at 71. It hasn't been this high since it went crazy in May with $8 where the RSI was right around the same range. So look at this. Like it hit like 73, right around that week. And we're over here at 71. So look at this chart, man. It looks like a inverted head and shoulders. I just think this is gonna keep going up. The shorts are screwed, man. As far as AMC goes, this is looking bullish too. First, it needs to get past $5 and hold resistance. Get past around like 540. But if it can bust through $6, we on to something, man. And look at this RSI. Get up out the way. Look at this RSI. It's at 66. I'm gonna shoot this to the weekly chart. You look at the weekly chart. You know what I'm saying? Right up over here, the RSI was even lower. It was just over here 45, and this is when it hit up like $13. I don't got the whole chart like completely updated, but it hit like $11 in the market, but pre-market that day was up at 13. And look how low the RSI was. Now look how it is now. Like down over here, it was the RSI. Where we at? It was only at around like 42, and now it's at 50. So who's to say that AMC and GameStop won't go up? Like, I'm telling you, man, like this might be another short squeeze, a MOAS, MOASS. This could be the one. This could really be the one. I have shares in both stocks. I have a contract that ends Friday with GameStop. Let me go 30-minute chart. You would think that I'm up looking at this because the white lines were all bought in, yellow lines were strike price. I have a $30 call. I'm balling at 28, but believe it or not, I'm down. I should have sold yesterday when it hit like 32, but these kind of things happen. The volume, the volatility, all affects the price. So from my experience, you have to sell. You have to get in and out of these stocks, man. You really do not want to hold them if you don't have long contracts. I'm gonna show y'all the ratio with the call and the puts for AMC and GameStop, and I'm up out of here, man. I ain't gonna talk all night. So as you can see, a lot of people are bullish. A lot of people are buying calls. Volumes up 73% for Friday. 118,000 on open interest for AMC. And you look at GameStop, same thing. Everybody's bullish. Everybody's got the call volume up 208,000 right here versus 43K. And then you got the open interest 141,000 compared to 29,000. And the volatility is crazy on both. Yeah, but like I said, y'all, this could be the time. If you haven't bought anything with GameStop, I wouldn't really get in this play unless you are willing to really gamble. I bought most of my GameStop shares at around $20. I wouldn't really want to risk this if I was y'all. If GameStop busts out of this little line I drew, it's been bouncing back. It can go real bullish, and I'll put a short right here if I see that, but I doubt it. I really think it's gonna skyrocket to the moon. But yeah, listen to the Dread-Headed Trader with a grain of black salt. Until next time, this is Train G's with G. I'm out.